2 animation apps, 1 winner. A war that's been raging in the hearts of mobile animators for years, but today we settle it once and for all. Drawing Cartoons 2 versus Stick Notes. Which one is easier to use, which makes better animations, and most importantly, which one's right for you? Part 1, the beginning. Let's rewind a bit. Like many of you, I started animating on mobile. No laptop, no expensive software, just passion. This passion led to the most powerful 2 mobile applications, Stick Notes and Drawing Cartoons 2. Both were free, both were fun, but only one helped me go from just playing to telling real stories with real characters, but more on that later. Let us start by meeting our first contender. Meet Stick Notes. Stick Notes is like a digital stick figure playground. It's fast, simple and great for action. You have got bone-based rigging, onion skinning, camera movements, export to GIF and MP4. It's super popular for fighting animations, ninjas, DBZ, Style Blast, Parker, you name it. You can literally download thousands of stick figures from their community too, but here's the thing. Stick Notes give you raw power but also raw responsibility. If you want details, expression, lip sync, you are kind of on your own. Now we are deep diving into the world of Stick Notes. You can download the best latest version of Stick Notes from Play Store or buy our official website named Apes Worlds. Find the link in the description. Now let's switch lanes. Part 3, Meet Drawing Cartoons 2. Now this is where it gets interesting. Draw Cartoons 2 or DC2, it's like the Adobe Animator of mobile animation. It's built for storytelling. You don't just move stick limbs, you bring full cartoon characters to life. Let's open the app together really quick. Here's your home screen, clean, colorful and ready for action. If you first time open Drawing Cartoons 2, you will see the character named DC2 official character. You have the option to move it, and when you did it, just go back so that you will see an interface. So here you will see options like create, and in item constructor you will going to create characters later on. Add scenes, import characters, use pre-made templates, control every single body part. Each character is fully rigged with symbols, head, hands, legs, and guess what? You can even swap hands, change expressions, and add audio. You will get options like make, load, and watch. Just click on the load button. You will see pre-made
animations here, and you will also see your animations that you are going to create. When you save it, it will appear here. Then you will see the option watch. From there, you can download pre-made characters from the official website of Drawing Cartoons 2. But I prefer downloading it from my website named thetmworld.com. You will see the link in the description. Now let's create our first animation. Click on the make button. Click on new cartoon. Now you are probably going to see the interface like this. If you want to add keyframes, click on this button. It will allow you to add keyframes inside DC2, and it will auto-save your progress.
And here is the result. Easy to use. Stick Notes is powerful, no doubt, but that power comes with a price. Its interface is packed with buttons, tools, and hidden features that can feel overwhelming.